in software engineering, find a really good open source project and then just see how they write code.
That's gold.
Yeah.
That's gold. That's I think, man, that's really, really good. That's really good. I've never actually thought about it that way, because open source, if it's a good open source project that multiple people are invested in,
Yes.
then there's likely discussions about how to do something a specific way, right?
Yes.
How to get, is this the best way to do this thing in the context of this code and in the context of the future, right? Potentially, right? How does you writing this thing now affect this thing now, but also in the future? And open source is a great place to actually see that. That's really dope. Yeah.
Yeah. So on the topic of taste as well, I think this is part of why, people get like corporate jobs, because one of the ways to actually build taste is to be around people that have taste. You could get that from open source projects, but most times if you get a job in a place where like you're not fighting to survive. So for example, if it's a startup, it might not always be easy because like the priority is on speed. But if you find a place that balances speed and like quality, you can build taste there. Or if you can find like good mentorship within like somebody that is working on that skill that will review your code. By the time you get like some savage reviews on your code, like 2 or 3 times, if you care about the work, you build taste over time. Because you can always go and reference their code and say, hey, how did somebody do this? Or like, how did he solve this problem? Or like you just pick their brain and they're like, hey, how do I introduce this dependency into this thing? But you get all that. You can build the taste in a corporate environment. I think that's one of the good things about like learning to do things in a corporate environment. You can actually build taste from your